Hey guys, welcome to MischiefMaker TV. You're gonna have a new guest host for this morning. Those of you who know me, my name's Walter. Those of you who don't, hello. I'm Holly's husband. Holly's been killing herself to make sure these vlogs get out every morning. So here's the deal. I'm gonna head into Rockstar Garage a little early this morning. I've left her a note, I made her some coffee, and I'm hoping she'll sleep in. And I'm going to do a little bit of prep work on the stuff that needs to get painted. Our plan is to prep, paint, and clear coat several parts today, let them cure over the weekend, and then install them next week. Hopefully, because I don't know if we'll actually be able to leave the house next week with everything that's going on. So that's the plan. We'll see how it goes. I have no idea. Let's do it. Okay, so I just got here. There's a few things we have to do first. Obviously, we're gonna be painting the cage. The cage took a little tiny bit of abuse last year, so we're gonna sort that out. To do that, I gotta take all those clamps you just saw off her, all of her skosh handles, all the skosh mounts that we use when we're wheeling. This pretty awesome skosh fire extinguisher mount, and then just some other bits and bobs, nothing crazy. Bits and bobs, I'm already talking like Holly, see? And then I guess I'm just gonna prep everything. What Holly didn't do yesterday, or 2 days ago, she didn't show you what the paint looks like. So after it's injected into the spray can, looks like this, like you might expect. It is just Chief Blue, ready to spray. The thing that sucks about this is it's low pressure and you can't control the pressure, so you really have to pay attention when you're painting. And then same thing for the cement gray metallic paint that we use. It's actually a Toyota color that we have on the cage and on the wheels. And then the third thing she picked up is this Spray Max 2K Clear Glam. This is our clear coat of choice. Again, just in a spray can. It is low pressure, which kind of sucks, but again, if you pay attention, it should be okay. And the cool thing about this is it's a two-part clear. So it's an epoxy. Once you puncture the bottom of this can, you have 48 hours to use it. You can get a little bit more life out of it if you put it in the fridge and try to slow down that chemical process that hardens it. But generally after 48 hours, it's hardened in the can and you can't use it after that. So we don't really want to start that process until everything is prepped, the base coat is on, and then all we have to do is come in and spray the clear. So here we go.
Music got the best in me ever since I was a child. Now it's showing its ugly face. What can I do? Music creeps into my dreams, wakes me into sweaty sheets, abandons me when nights died out. What can I do? What can I do? Stop this, get right. Stop this, get right.
Okay guys, time for a quick update. I've stepped outside so that you don't hear all the background noise in the shop. We've got all the clamps removed, all the GoPro mounts, all of the fire extinguisher stuff, and sanded down those areas, got everything sorted. It looks good and looks ready for paint. The only problem is when we were doing that, I noticed that the tire has also kind of rubbed through the paint where it sits. I don't think it's just from normal use. I think it's from when we were chasing down the air leak that we had in our air lockers last year. We were moving the tire in and out quite a bit, and it may have caused the tire to rub through the paint. So we're gonna go in there, drag the tire out, fix that area as well, and then it's time to crawl under the Jeep and sand down the rock sliders. So that really leaves us with only 2 more areas to fix, and then I think I'm gonna hand things off to Holly.
All right, so I just arrived at the shop, and as you guys can see, Walter has done a ton of prep work for me, which is so nice of him. I really, really appreciate what he did for me this morning. So now I'm here, I'm gonna pop some of this on, then get about 3 coats of either the gray and the Chief on, and then do the clear coat. So let's get to painting. Hey guys, so So I'm just taking a small break before putting that last coat of clear coat on everything and leaving that to cure over the weekend. That stuff is nasty and we don't have masks. So I'm just taking a breather. And what have we done today? Wow, first of all, huge thank you to my husband for coming in, giving me a little time in the morning to get myself together. He came in, he prepped everything as you guys saw. Super nice. So basically I just came in and I've painted. So it's been a really good day. Now I'm going to spray that last coat of the clear coat on, and then I'm going to be jumping on to a call with all of the Rockstar ambassadors, and we are going to be discussing what we are going to do instead of EJS. There were 6 members of the team from the East Coast that were going to come over, but because of the whole travel ban for some people with the coronavirus going on, it might be a little difficult for them. We're just going to hop on this call, see who's coming first of all, and come up with a location. So I'm pretty excited that we're still going to do something. All right, just getting that last coat done, but let's check it out. It looks pretty good. And then we have underneath here, resprayed that all blue. Walter and I both tried to sand that out as much as we could. It is nice just to have that little touch up and refreshing for the year. As you can see, we're packing all the vehicles in again. I need to jump on this call, so let's head into the office and get that done. All right, it is the end of another productive day. The call that I just had went on for a little while, but we have a list of potential people coming. We're gonna figure out where we're going. It's gonna be great. Now, I'm gonna go pick up food for everyone at the house. They want burritos, so I will give them burritos. I will not be having a burrito. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea and get this edited for you guys. All right guys, so I am finally back at the house. But before I go, if you are enjoying this channel, then please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget that little ding-a-ling notification bell so that you know when my next video is out. Now, I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow, so until then, I will see you later.